Hey math kids, today we're going to look at section 3.8 and start with example 1. And on this we're given a unit circle. This is the equation of the unit circle. It's not written in the example, but we'll need to use that. And then we want to find the slope of the tangent line to point, 3/5, comma 4/5. Okay, so the first thing is we need to remember that slope and derivative, anytime you're asked to find a slope in a calculus class, you're probably going to use the derivative. So what we want to do is we want to take the derivative with respect to x of this entire equation. And so what that's going to look like is d dx, x squared, d dx, y squared, and d over dx of 1. Now, if we have a constant or something that is, or an x, we're just going to treat it normal, like the way we've been doing derivatives for a while. So this piece is just going to be 2x, and this piece is just going to be 0. This piece, however, we have to remember the chain rule. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative with, like how we normally would, but using the y, so 2y. But then we don't know what y is, but we're assuming it's a function based on x, but we're going to just say dy dx, like that. Okay, so the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, from here, we can just solve for dy dx, because that's going to be our slope for our unit circle. So I'm going to subtract 2x. We have 2y dy over dx. And then we're going to divide by 2y. So we're left with dy over dx is equal to negative 2x over 2y. These 2's will cancel. And so dy over dx, or the derivative of the unit circle equation, is negative x over negative y. Now, all we need to do is plug in this point for the x and the y. So we get negative 3/5 over 4/5. Since those denominators are the same, those will cancel. And so overall, our slope at that specific point is negative 3 over 4.